Got a WV audio file from a music archive or backup and your usual player won't touch it? This is a high-quality lossless audio format prized by audiophiles for its hybrid compression. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to play and convert these WavPack audio files. For those complex WV formats, there's always a plan B, a specialized file handling utility that feels like magic. I'll introduce it again later after we attempt the common methods. Users encounter WV files when downloading high-quality lossless audio, often from audiophile communities or music archives. They are seeking a compatible media player to listen to the music without the quality degradation of formats like MP3, preserving the original recording's full fidelity. The WV format is a hybrid binary container designed for both lossless and lossy high-quality audio compression. It uses a unique predictive coding algorithm to achieve high compression ratios while allowing for perfect bit-for-bit reconstruction of the original PCM audio data, making it ideal for archival. The tool most commonly used for creating WV files is VLC Media Player by VideoLAN project. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows handles simple playback, but multitrack or effect-based editing requires advanced audio tools. Your key action: right-click the WV file and select Open With. If VLC Media Player is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the WV file opens successfully. If your WV file will not open yet, do not panic. Let's change direction. The failure confirms a hidden issue. Run through these 3 rapid diagnostic checks with me right now. First, playing in VLC or FooBar 2000. Open the WV file in VLC Media Player, which has built-in WavPack support. For audiophile-grade playback, use FooBar 2000 with the WavPack decoder component, which provides replay gain support, gapless playback, and detailed format information. Both players handle hybrid WV plus WVC pairs automatically when stored together. Next, converting to FLAC or WAV. Use the official WavPack command line tools. WVUnpack to convert WV files to UAV by running WVUnpack input WV. For FLAC conversion, pipe through FFmpeg with FFmpeg. input WV output.FLAC. DB power amp. Music Converter offers a graphical batch conversion interface for converting WV files to any other audio format. Finally, tagging and library management. WavPack files support APEV2 and ID3v1 tags for metadata. Use MP3 tag or FooBar 2000's tag editor to add artist album track titles, album art, and replay gain values. Properly tagged WV files integrate seamlessly into music library managers like MusicB and JRiver Media Center for organized audiophile collections. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.